How to see other people's best friend list on Snapchat. If any day you would like to see your other friend's best friend list on Snapchat, then you're in the proper place. Just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Snapchat on your mobile device. In order to do so, you have to tap on Snapchat for a while. After you tap on Snapchat for a while, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the profile section on the top. After you go to the profile section on the top, you have to go to the settings icon there. After you go to the settings icon there, you can see your friends option out there. If you do not see the friends option out there, the next step is you can just go back and then you can just go down to the option of my friends there. After you go to the option of my friends there, you can see the best friend lists out there. You can tap on any of your best friend there or any of your friend there. After you tap on the very friend or any of your best friend, then you can see an interface like this where your very option of your friend appears there. After that, you can scroll down and you have to see whether there is any option of seeing the list of your best friend. Since there is no any list of seeing your best friend's best friend list here, there is the next option, that is you have to go back, and after going back you can see the next option there. You can see the plus icon on the top side. You have to tap on the plus icon on the top side and you can see the list of the various kind of people where there is a quick ad out there. Now the people that appear in the quick ad or that appear in the suggestions out there are the best friend of the best friend that you have, or are the best friends of the friends that you are added in your Snapchat. So this is only the way on how you can see the best friend of your best friend or the friends of your best friends list on Snapchat. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.